Oh my goodness, we have made it so far. You have made it so far, so far, because we are at the final module of this AI marketing course. Okay, and this is the module where we treat the issue of getting and handling our business customers using the AMA model. All right. We've done the huge work of understanding the message that we need to have for our audience. We've done the extra work of developing eye catching, compelling content in audio form, image form, video form. After creating compelling content, it's now the next aspect, which is getting across to our audience, okay, acquiring them and managing them as we give them the services, all right, the content creation services that we offer. And of course, you don't have to be a freelancer or a remote worker, or that may not be your intention. You can apply this model for your very business that you are running right now. And mind you, just as we said earlier in the introduction of this course, that our major targets are small, particularly small businesses, but also medium scale businesses as well. Why? Like we said earlier, because they are the ones that are in major or most need of our services of creating epic content. All right. And they are the ones in dire need of being able to get these services at a much more affordable cost because of the high cost of managing their small businesses in such a tough time as we are. So, without wasting much time, let's look at what this AMA model really means. As you see on your screen, the A stands for acquire potential customers from different sources. And what does this mean? It means to know your distribution, to know where your likely customers, where you can likely get your customers from. That's what this A in AMA really means. Where will I get my customers from? Where will I get my potential clients from? Where are my audiences for this newfound AI marketing skill I have acquired? Okay, we'll be learning how we can acquire these customers in the next lecture just after this. Now, after acquiring these customers, the next thing is now managing these customers. After getting to see where we can get them and getting their details, the next thing is now to manage the customer details. All right, and that's where the M comes in. So managing your clients through customer details, your sales and business deals. Okay, this is the stage where you put all your clients details, in a very we are going to be learning an absolutely free but very amazing customer relations management software. I'll be introducing it to you. Rather, I will show you the best customer relationship management software that is absolutely free, that you can learn about to be able to manage clients, customer details, sales, business deals, and the likes. Okay, from when you um, first contact them to how you go ahead to nurture them till they agree to, you know, um, pay you for the services in terms of content creation that you offer. There is an amazing free CRM software for this, which we will learn in the next two lectures after this. And finally, after managing the clients, customers, their business deals, the business deals you have with them, and you've secured the deal, the next stage is now to automate, okay, which is what the A stands for. And this means automate, arrange and schedule content for X amount of days. Now, scheduling of content means posting the content you create for them for X amount of days, all right, or for your own business in case you are doing it for yourself. Okay, so how you can use the power of automation to be able to post amazing content for the next 30 days if you wish. That is 30 days of a month and less and even more. All right. So this is where the A stands, the automate comes in, which is what the A stands for. So this is what these are the three major things we'll be looking at in this module, and it will be very, very interesting, honestly. So let's get on with it. See you in the next lecture. God bless you.